If you want to charge other devices using your Google Pixel 10a, then in that case you can use a USB cable. Google Pixel 10a allows you to charge other devices with USB cable. We have wired power sharing option. Unfortunately, the phone does not support reverse wireless charging. There is no wireless power sharing option available on this phone. Hence why we need to use a USB cable. So you can connect your Google Pixel 10a to another smartphone, just like that. And then you might be able to immediately start charging. This can be another smartphone, this can be a Bluetooth device, anything that can be charged with USB-C cable. If your phone gets charged instead, you might want to go to notifications and you should be able to find charging this device via USB or something like that, which is a notification from Android system. So you can tap on that and notification to go to USB preferences, and then in here at the bottom make sure that charge connected device is enabled. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.